Did you just get fucked up?
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Yeah, that was a long ass jump.
I don't know if you guys can see right now, but...
This nigga's about to jump.
Gently fearless!
Fuck.
That nigga's up.
It's about 4 feet deep.
No, you lost to the Chargers, my nigga.
Let's check how deep it is. Almost waist deep. I did a good job. Just gonna decorate it a little bit. We only have a little stream running. We haven't worked on it for a while. And this is a 30 feet pit. Clay, and then there's a pit. Go see where those skunk holes are. Ugh. What the fuck are you guys doing? We're about to leave.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up.